Hi there! In this video tutorial you will see how you can use tags and attach them to list items, images and products so that visitors to your site and app can browse more easily all the pages and contents. In this video we will use a gallery of images as an example, but the same applies to lists and catalogs. Let's start by choosing the widget where we have our list, and then let's add a new element, for example by selecting a nice picture from the library of free images you find in the platform. To tag this item, you need to scroll down to the Tags section. In this field here, you can select existing tags that you have already used from other items of this list, or create a new one by typing it into the box, just like we're doing now. Let's save this element so that the form reloads. And as you see, our new tag has been attached and applied to the item. Now, let's go to the real website and see these tags in action. First of all, you can notice here that we have a list of all the tags we have used in this list, along with an all tag. As we click on one, the elements that do not have that tag disappear, and the ones that do have it appear automatically. If we click on all, we show all items of this list or gallery. And that's it. Quick, easy, and very effective and impressive. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.